Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcake decorations at home. First, gather your basic supplies like piping bags, various tips, and food coloring. You'll also need a good quality frosting, whether homemade or store-bought, as it forms the base for most designs. We'll start with some foundational techniques that are easy for beginners to master, ensuring your cupcakes look professionally made without much effort. Get ready to transform your baked goods into edible art. Now, let's dive into frosting techniques. Using a star tip, you can create beautiful swirls by starting in the center and moving outwards, then upwards. For a smooth, elegant dome, apply frosting generously and use an offset spatula to gently spread and shape it. To achieve a striking two-tone effect, simply add two different colored frostings side by side in your piping bag. These methods will elevate your cupcakes with minimal fuss and maximum visual appeal. Beyond frosting, edible toppers add fantastic flair. Fondant is incredibly versatile. Roll it thin and use small cookie cutters to create stars, hearts, or flowers. A touch of edible glitter can transform any cupcake into a dazzling treat. Just lightly dust it over your frosting. Don't underestimate the power of sprinkles. Arrange them in specific patterns, like a rainbow arc, or simply scatter them for a festive look. These small additions make a big impact on your cupcake's overall presentation. For those ready to try more advanced designs, consider piping delicate buttercream flowers using specialized tips. These require a bit more practice but yield stunning results. Incorporating small candy pieces, like mini chocolate chips or colorful candies, adds both visual interest and a delightful crunch. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. With these tips, your homemade cupcake decorations will impress everyone, making every occasion a little sweeter and more special.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.